Alright guys, you're welcome to this channel. Again, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers for always liking and supporting this channel. I want to explain to you how I took this CPI. How I took this CPI today, and it's very powerful. It's very powerful analysis, and it's very simple. It's just a little data for you to just know that this is where the market is going to, and this is where the market will be going to. If you cannot answer those two questions, trading will be very difficult. So this is where the market is going to. The market was coming bearish. The market was coming bearish like this. All throughout these days, the market was just bearish, and this is where the market is going to. It's going down, right? The next question is, where is the market, or where will the market be at this point? Do you understand? Where will the market be? That is what I was asking myself. And then let's see what we are going to see on the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. And we saw that this was our last break of structure. This was our last break of structure to the upside, bullish break of structure to the upside. All right, so the market went here, went up, because this was a bullish trend. So the market went bullish from here, moved fast to the upside, and there was a rejection. Let me brighten this a little so you see what I'm doing. So there was a rejection up there, and if you watch most of my videos, my previous videos, you will see why the market was rejected. I told you earlier that the market saw an implied fair value gap. That was why it was rejected, and the market was pushed down immediately to the external or to the internal range liquidity. So when the market came, so where is the market going to? That's the next question. Where is the market going to? We can see an institutional reference point. We can see an institutional reference point, and one of them is this order block, this bullish order block. Can you see bullish order block? This is a bullish order block on the daily time frame. So this is where the market is going to. From here, from this point, this is where the market is going to. It's coming here to this bullish order block because that is where liquidity resides. All right, now, so since we've answered that question, now where will the market be going to after that place? This is where the market will be going to. The market from here will be going to here. But if the market refuses to go there, that means the market will continue going down. The market will continue going down. It's just two things that will happen. If the market stays here and doesn't want to go up, because this is a bullish trend, if the market goes below here, if the market goes below this point, if the market goes below this point, so we can call it change of character. It means that the market has changed direction. So we are no more bullish, we are bearish now. But if the market is still in this our order block, institutional reference point, so where will the market be going to next? The market is going up. The market will be going where? It will be going up. So since on Monday we did not have any kind of news that I was interested in, so today I said I'm going to trade this CPI. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Look at what we saw on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, I saw this rejection block. I saw this rejection block, and rejection block is always very powerful too. Rejection block here inside that other block. Look at the rejection block. inside this other block. I said, okay, that is also a very powerful um, institutional reference point. And inside this other block, I saw a fair value gap inside this other block to tell you that there are so many fishes inside this other block, right? And inside this other block too, I saw a breaker block. Oh my god, there are so many things inside here that the CPI might want to go to, but our main aim was that we want to go bullish, but the CPI might want to enter into the ocean that has more fishes. Do you understand? Might want to enter into the ocean that has more fishes. So what did the CPI do? When the market was at this point, I just noticed when the market was here, this point, when the market was at this point, let me clear the other block. Now you know where the other block is, right? Let's leave this rejection block because this is what was this is what caught my attention, because I saw this rejection block and I said to myself, okay, fine, if this is a rejection block, I'm going to take this trade upward. Okay, so I set my sell or my buy limit down here. This is where I set my buy limit. I set my buy limit down here in case, we know how CPI works, in case there is a spike below to take me so that the market can pick me up. So I set my buy limit there, and in the middle of, okay, it was just above here, like right here, and we wanted to go bullish. Like I told you, this is where I put my stop loss, and I told you if it takes me below this place a little bit, yeah, I think my stop loss was just about yeah, did something pips, yeah. It was just seem as simple as this. And then I now go to 15 minutes time frame. The market was still coming bullish because this is where I was expecting the market to go to. The market was still coming bullish, and look at what I said. We wanted to go bullish from the fair value gap, and I said to myself in my previous videos, if you can remember, I said to myself, if the market can take out these points, I'm going bullish. If the market can take out this point, if I have a break of structure here, I'm going bullish from that fair value gap. But that didn't happen. So I was still watching. And before this CPI, I noticed a break of structure below. This is what really made me to have the confidence that the market will go to my point of interest. And this is a rejection block. Any market that comes to the rejection block must be rejected, and that is just important information to know. Very powerful information I just gave to you now. Any price that comes to a rejection block must be rejected. No matter how strong that price is, must be rejected. And look at what happened here. Look at what happened. The market broke structure here. I wanted to take a buy and sell, but then I was still skeptical about selling too and also buying at the same time. Do you understand? I was also skeptical. The market changed character here, and I had a fair value gap. a fair value gap. I had a fair value gap. My first intention was I wanted to take this trade from here like this to my point of interest, and also take it from my point of interest upward. I wanted to take the trade like this. I wanted to take the trade like this. Look at it. I wanted to go short from here because I was expecting that the market will spike upward. You know, my stop loss above here, my stop loss above this place, and my take profit here, just at the tip of this place, at the tip of this my point of interest. So I wanted to go bearish from here because I was expecting that the market will spike up. The market will, you know, spike up and come back to my point of interest before going. I knew that today's CPI there will be a lot of manipulations. Already the market might come to fill up this point of void, because this is void. It might come back to fill up the point of void before going back, or might even break structure, might even break this bullish order block, and, you know, change character, and we go bearish again. But that was not my mindset. So when I saw this, I was expecting the price to spike up, pick me in here, and we come back. But then the market didn't do that, because I also set my sell limit upward here too at this point, so that it can spike me and bring me back, or come to my point of interest and spike me. But the first one that happened was it coming to my point of interest, to pick me upward, just to my point of interest, and it picked me upward. So when I realized that it is now bullish to this place, I knew that this fair value gap will, you know, will reject the price. So this is where I went out. But my initial plan was that the market should come to this point, but I wasn't patient enough, so I just had to, you know, go out of the market to do this video immediately. So my initial plan was to take it to this point, but that didn't happen. So I had to take out the opportunity to do this video.